Which of these images represents proof of the Pythagorean theorem? Explain your answer and explain how the figures prove the Pythagorean theorem. All right, so if we're going to start proving the Pythagorean theorem, the first thing we need to know is what is the Pythagorean theorem? And the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what this says is if you have a right triangle, the area of the square on side A plus the area of the square off side B, so the area of this square plus the area of this square has to equal the area of the bigger square off side C. Oops, that was a rectangle. We'll just pretend that's a square though. So if we look over here, we know that the area of A, or A squared, is 9. Here the area of side B is 36. And the area of side C is 64. So if this is the Pythagorean theorem, then this has to work. So 9 plus 36, what is that, 45? 45 does not equal 64. So figure A does not help us prove the Pythagorean theorem. Let's look at figure B. A squared, or the area on side A, is 25. So in my formula, I'm going to put in a 25 for A squared. C squared is 144. I'm sorry, B squared is 144, so I'm going to put that in for B. And then C squared is 169. 25 plus 144 does equal 169. So this is a figure that helps us prove the Pythagorean theorem. And the reason why is because the Pythagorean theorem works. Here it doesn't work. If you add A squared plus B squared, it does not equal C squared. But over here it does work.